Big fish are cool, tuna fish are big, but did you know that tuna fish are not just big, they are absolutely massive? These ocean giants can grow to incredible sizes, making them one of the most fascinating creatures in the sea. Imagine swimming alongside a fish that can be as long as a small car. It's like encountering a living submarine in the ocean depths. Tuna fish are very cool. They are not only large but also incredibly fast swimmers. Some species of tuna can reach speeds of up to 75 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most speedboats. Their sleek, torpedo-shaped bodies are built for speed, allowing them to chase down prey and evade predators with ease. It's no wonder they are considered the athletes of the ocean. Some tuna can be bigger than a car. The Atlantic bluefin tuna, for example, can weigh up to 1,500 pounds and measure over 10 feet in length. These giants of the sea are truly a sight to behold. Their immense size and power make them a prized catch for fishermen around the world. But catching such a massive fish is no easy feat. Can you imagine catching a fish that big? It requires skill, strength, and a lot of patience. Fishermen often spend hours, sometimes even days, battling these powerful creatures. The thrill of the chase and the struggle to reel in such a formidable opponent is what makes tuna fishing an exhilarating adventure. It's a test of endurance and determination. That's what we're talking about today. We're diving into the world of tuna fishing, exploring the techniques and traditions that have been passed down through generations. From the open seas to the bustling fish markets, we'll follow the journey of these incredible fish from ocean to table. It's a story of adventure, skill, and a deep connection to the sea. 200 pounds of tuna, that's the weight of an average adult human. Imagine the effort it takes to haul such a massive fish out of the water. It's a true test of strength and teamwork. Fishermen often work in teams, using specialized equipment and techniques to bring these giants aboard. It's a labor of love and a testament to their dedication. We're going on an adventure. Our journey will take us to a coastal village where tuna fishing is a way of life. Here, the entire community comes together to celebrate the bounty of the sea. From the seasoned fishermen to the young apprentices, everyone plays a role in this age-old tradition. It's a vibrant and lively scene filled with stories and laughter. We're going to a village. This village loves tuna. The people here have a deep respect for the ocean and its gifts. They understand the importance of sustainable fishing practices and work hard to preserve their marine environment. It's a delicate balance between harvesting the sea's bounty and ensuring its future for generations to come. It's part of their life. Tuna fishing is more than just a livelihood. It's a way of life. The rhythms of the sea dictate the pace of their days, and the catch of the day determines their meals. It's a close-knit community where everyone knows each other, and the bonds are strengthened by their shared connection to the ocean. They know how to catch it. The techniques they use have been honed over centuries, passed down from generation to generation. From the type of bait to the timing of the catch, every detail is carefully considered. It's a blend of knowledge, experience, and intuition that makes them masters of their craft. They know how to cook it. Once the fish is caught, it's time to prepare it for the table. The villagers have perfected the art of cooking tuna, using traditional recipes and techniques that bring out the best flavors. From grilling to smoking, each method adds a unique touch to the dish. It's a culinary journey that showcases the versatility and richness of tuna, and they're going to show us how it's done. Join us as we explore the world of tuna fishing and discover the secrets behind these incredible fish. From the thrill of the catch to the joy of the feast, it's an adventure you won't want to miss. So grab your fishing gear and get ready for an unforgettable journey into the heart of the ocean. Imagine a place. Palm trees sway, the ocean is blue, the sand is white. This is our village. Life here is simple. People fish, people eat, people laugh. Tuna is important here. It's a source of food, it's a way of life. When a tuna is caught, everyone celebrates. Let's see how they prepare this amazing fish. The tuna arrives. It's huge. The villagers gather around. They have special tools, long knives, strong arms, years of experience. They work carefully. Every cut matters. They remove the skin. They take out the bones. They respect the fish. They waste nothing. It's like a dance of skill and tradition. Section 4, tuna steak, simple and good. Now let's cook. Tuna steak is delicious and easy to make. It's a dish that impresses with its simplicity and flavor. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, this recipe is perfect for you. Let's dive into the process and see how we can create a mouth-watering tuna steak that will leave everyone asking for more. First, we need a hot fire. The key to a perfect tuna steak is a high temperature. This ensures that the outside gets a nice sear while keeping the inside tender and juicy. So make sure your grill or pan is preheated to a high temperature before you start cooking. The sizzle you hear when the tuna hits the grill is music to a chef's ears. Then a little salt and pepper on our tuna. That's it. Simplicity is key here. The natural flavor of the tuna is so good that it doesn't need much seasoning. Just a sprinkle of salt and pepper is enough to enhance its taste. If you like, you can also add a touch of olive oil to keep the tuna moist and add a bit of richness. We cook the tuna quickly. Because tuna is best served rare to medium rare, it only needs a short time on the grill. About 1-2 minutes per side is usually enough. You want to achieve a nice sear on the outside while keeping the inside pink and tender. Overcooking can make the tuna dry, so keep an eye on it. We want it seared on the outside. The sear gives the tuna a beautiful crust that adds texture and flavor. It's the contrast between the crispy exterior and the soft, juicy interior that makes tuna steak so delightful. Make sure to flip the tuna gently to keep the sear intact and juicy on the inside. The smell is amazing. It makes you hungry. When you cut into the tuna, you should see a beautiful pink center. This is what makes tuna steak so special. The aroma that fills the kitchen is irresistible, and it's a sign that your tuna steak is cooked to perfection. Are you ready to eat? Serve the tuna steak immediately while it's still hot. Pair it with a fresh salad or some steamed vegetables for a complete meal. The simplicity of this dish is what makes it so appealing. Enjoy every bite of your perfectly cooked tuna steak. Section 5. Tuna tales. Tuna has been around for a long time. People have been catching it for centuries. It's part of many cultures. In this village, tuna is more than just food. It's stories, it's legends, it's passed down through generations. It connects them to the past. It's a reminder of their history and their relationship with the ocean. Section 6. Ocean to plate, a celebration. The tuna is ready. It looks amazing. The journey of this tuna from the vast, deep ocean to our humble plate is nothing short of extraordinary. Each step, each moment has been a testament to the dedication and skill of the fishermen and chefs who have brought this dish to life. Golden brown on the outside, the perfect sear, achieved through careful attention and precise timing, gives the tuna a beautiful, crispy exterior that promises a delightful crunch with every bite, tender and pink on the inside. We take a bite. The contrast between the crispy outside and the tender, juicy inside is a culinary marvel. The tuna melts in our mouths, releasing a burst of flavors that dance on our taste buds. The flavor explodes in our mouth. It's a symphony of taste, with each note perfectly balanced. The richness of the tuna, the hint of salt, and the subtle smokiness from the sear all come together in perfect harmony. It's salty, it's meaty, it's delicious. Everyone is happy. We eat together, we laugh together, we share stories. This meal is more than just food. It's a moment of connection, a shared experience that brings us closer together. This is more than a meal, it's a celebration of life. The joy and camaraderie around the table are palpable as we revel in the simple pleasure of good food and good company. A celebration of the ocean which has given us this bounty, is honored and revered. We toast to its majesty, its mystery, and its generosity. This meal is a tribute to the ocean's gifts, a reminder of the deep connection we share with the sea. Section 7. Tuna tomorrow. Our tuna adventure is ending, but the memories will last. We learned about tuna, we learned about the village, we learned about ourselves. Tuna is a gift from the ocean to our plate. We must respect it, we must protect it, so future generations can enjoy it just like we did.